Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Haley. Welcome to the Haley Nutrition Kitchen. We are making another functional smoothie as part of a functional smoothie series. What's that mean? Functional foods are foods with a purpose. Foods can have a metabolic impact on who you are. And in this case, we're putting ingredients together to help with libido. We're going to start off with the banana. Now, bananas, there's two primary organs involved in libido, the brain and that other one. For some people, bananas visually stimulate them, but that's not what this is about. Bananas can also stimulate serotonin, which helps improve sleep and elevate mood. Bananas are also containing bromelain, that enzyme that you'll also get from pineapples, which increases libido and testosterone in men. So let's put our banana in the blender. Next, avocados. Something about avocados, interesting. They symbolize love. The fruit's name avocado comes from the Nahuatl word ahuacat, which means testicle. This creamy green fruit is packed with heart-healthy fats and fiber. They have carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help with eyesight. And they have B vitamins. When you hear B vitamins, think beauty vitamins. And they also have B6, which can play a part in easing PMS symptoms. Avocados are also rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, potassium, magnesium. Let's put our avocado in the blender. Now, as long as we're talking about foods that, well, are a little bit phallic, let's talk about nuts, because nuts can help also, like walnuts, pine nuts, pistachios, Brazil nuts, cashews, and almonds, in addition to supplying nutrients that help hormone production like zinc, selenium, and vitamin E. Nuts are also good for blood flow. So normally I put the liquid in at the end, but I'm using a nut milk in this case, an organic nut milk. Let's put our nut milk in the blender. Next, I love using chia seeds and flax seeds, and both are high in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Both have magnesium, zinc, iron, and potassium, which can support testosterone production in men. Chia seeds are known to moisten yin, that's feminine energy, and have many nutrients to improve mood. Chia seeds have more selenium than flax seeds, which can support male fertility, increase libido, and semen quality. Flax seeds, on the other hand, have more phytoestrogens, which can increase libido in women. I'm going to go with the chia seeds for me this time, and I'll put a couple spoons in there. I don't want to go too heavy with them. They add a real nice texture to the smoothie and make it very satisfying as they kind of gel up too many, and it gets a little bit too thick and too gelled up. Cocoa nibs, in my opinion, there's only one thing that goes with chocolate better than peanut butter, and that's romance. So cocoa is linked with the release of serotonin, a hormone that encourages feelings of happiness, and it also has phenylethylamine, a brain nutrient associated with lust and love. I'm going to put a couple spoons of cocoa in there. The flavor is going to go real nicely with what I'm adding after this soon. But like coffee and tea, cocoa delivers a dose of caffeine, which perks up the central nervous system and can help men perform and lower their chances of ED. Strawberries. It's no coincidence that you see strawberries dipped in chocolate or topped with whipped cream in romantic scenes in the movies. They're high in vitamin C, which can also help release oxytocin, known as the love hormone, because of its link to sexual arousal and orgasm. Let's put our strawberries in the blender. Now, suma root has traditionally been used to increase energy and as an aphrodisiac. I'm using the Haley protein, which only has 6 ingredients in it. One of the 6 ingredients is the suma root, which can help with those hormone levels. Another of the 6 ingredients in the Haley protein is sacha inchi, which is a seed from the Amazon that's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, just heart-healthy, good nutrition. Now, I still have to add the aloe vera, but aloe vera doesn't blend so well, so let's get this cooking. Okay, good. Aloe vera, regular consumption is not only good for your gut, but it's also good for your skin and good for your hair and for your nails. All things that can be used in the arousal process. Now, we're gonna put some, maybe 4, 5, 6 ounces in here, a little more than that because I'm making it for 2. People have asked me, can you use raw aloe vera as a lubricant for intimacy? We're just gonna drink it this time, and I'm gonna slow blend it in here. By the way, I did answer that question in another video, and if you're seeing this on YouTube, I'll make sure I put a link to that other video in the description. But I'm gonna turn the blender down to a slow speed because I just wanna stir the aloe in. I don't wanna foam it up, and our Aloe Libido smoothie is ready. This is going to be an absolute delicious with the strawberry chocolate flavor. You can see how thick the texture is. That's largely because of the chia seeds that we've added, and the avocado, and the banana, and the aloe's kind of thick too. But just a delicious, beautiful, romantic smoothie. Let me try it. I'm obviously not drinking this mix for the first time, and you know, there's other substitutions you can do. The whole concept here of this series of videos is think about the foods that you're consuming. Are they serving their purpose? Are they doing what you need them to do? As we strategically consume foods to accomplish our health and nutrition goals, you know, we improve our health, we take it to the next level, we help ourselves be all we can, we optimize our potential. I'm Dr. Michael Haley. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you on the next one.